Welcome to our report management video. Once you have created an automated report, which you can review how to do it in our report overview video, you might want to edit or even delete it. To do this, simply go to the report page. There you will find an overview of all your reports. Activated standard reports are green, activated customized reports are blue, and deactivated reports are gray. To change the activation status, delete or duplicate a specific report, you need to click on the top right navigation. For better transparency in tracking who has received which reports in the past, we recommend you just deactivate the report and do not delete it. This is also helpful in case you decide to use the report again in the future. You will not have to rebuild the report all over again, you can just reactivate it. When you hover over the Information button, you will see a summary of the key stats of this report. At the bottom of every report section you will find recipient information as well as the exact date of the next run. To edit an existing report, you simply click on it. There you can edit every detail of the main areas of the report, recipient, content and scheduled details, as well as user-specific values and filters for customized reports. Let us say we would like to add another recipient. We can do that here. And then I would like to send both an Excel version of our report as well as a visual PDF. When you are ready with your edits, you simply click Save and you will be back on the report overview page.